How to book flights on MakeMyTrip. In order to book flights on MakeMyTrip, you need to visit the app or website. So open the MakeMyTrip app on your device. In the very first homepage, you could see Flights and Hotels tab at the top of the page. You simply want to select flights. You want to select whether it's one way, or round trip, or multi-city. Whether it's round trip, you just want to select like this, and you want to select from where and to where. Once you're done with the locations, you then need to enter in the date, time, and you just want to select how many people are traveling and go to search flight. Once you do this, you will be able to see a list of flights available, and you could go ahead and start seeing all the information that has been needed, that has been asked, and you could also go and look for the cheap flights, dates, amount, all that. And this way you're supposed to look for, or this way you're supposed to book flights on MakeMyTrip. So if you just want to go ahead and tap open this up, you could just go ahead and select book now and read the eligibility terms, all that. And that is how you can book flights on MakeMyTrip. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.